Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicare online. Go to Medicare. Gov, create or sign into your My Medicare account, then click Sign Up for Medicare and follow the prompts. Have your Social Security number, birth date, and recent income details ready. Choose Part A, Part B, or both, compare plan costs, and review enrollment periods carefully before submitting your application online. Save the confirmation page, and print or screenshot your receipt for records. Before you click through forms, prepare your documents and set up accounts to avoid interruptions. Use a secure email and strong password for My Medicare or My Social Security, and enable two-factor authentication if available. Scan or photograph your ID, Social Security card, and any current insurance statements so you can upload quickly. Enter numbers exactly as shown, double-check dates, and save progress at each step to prevent losing information. Quick recommendation and a small ad break. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. On another note, I use leak-proof containers for meal prep and to keep my paperwork safe and tidy during application sessions. They seal tightly and save counter space. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if it helps you stay organized, and now let's get back to the video. Take a final look at your application before hitting submit to avoid delays or mistakes. Confirm your plan choices, check coverage start dates, and verify costs so there are no surprises. After submission, save the confirmation and note reference numbers, then watch for email or mail confirmations. If something looks wrong or you need assistance, contact Medicare support or your local Social Security office promptly to resolve issues and track your enrollment.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.